My name is Julia. My name is Wyatt Sumner.
Yeah, my name is Austin.
My name is Nicholas Jasowitz.
My name is Malia.
Sophia. My name's Ella.
Well, I really wanted to become a teen navigator because travel and community service have always been really big parts of my life. It's like that perfect mix between the two, where I get to enjoy kind of that travel environment while also helping people.
I get to form connections within the aviation community that can help me within my adult life and working life. For example, if I was a pilot, it would help me learn how the inner workings of airports would work, or if I even want to go into airport management, I have great experience here.
I like how I get to learn more about myself too. I'm learning how to handle certain situations. Like if someone puts me on the spot, I learn how I want to react to it. Or if someone's asking me where to go, I'll learn how to explain it in a better way, in a more detailed way. Like in a way that makes more sense, like not just to me, but to the other person too.
It's really important for the airport's overall safety and efficiency, and just helping passengers as well. I want to do air traffic control, so I think that the Teen Navigator Program will basically look good on my, history and resume, so that I can get into a decent college and get the job quicker, since it's competitive. I really like logistics and aviation and overall helping people, so this is a perfect opportunity for me to be able to do that.
On the first day of orientation, just meeting all the other teens there, getting to know each other, seeing how a lot of them also want to come in to be pilots, how they want to, some want to do air traffic control, just that bond alone, it just creates some shared memories, friendships.
Now that I've been here and I've seen all the different career paths that you could take, all the different things you can do here, it's just opened my mind. There's so many different things that you can do, and there's definitely something that can fit in everybody's agenda, per se, that they want to do in aviation.
It's been a fantastic position. I absolutely love working here or volunteering here. Once I finished my 100 hours, it felt natural to just come back here. I love being here. My name is Julia, and I'm a DEN Teen Navigator.
I'm a DEN Teen Navigator.
I am a DEN Teen Navigator.
My name is Sophia, and I'm a DEN Teen Navigator.
I'm a DEN Teen Navigator.
I'm a DEN Teen Navigator.
Yes, my name is Malia, and I am a DEN Teen Navigator.
Nailed it.